Yeah. Oh my god.
I love it.
So she wasn't the girl.
No. So the guy is
Someone else.
lost
Oh.
Hey children, where's your mother? I'm hungry. Is there any supper? Right, like I'm joking?
But Dad, nobody was aware you'll be coming home today.
What is supposed to mean? I beg your pardon?
Sorry Dad, I mean I just meant that
Will you shut up and go get me something to eat and look for your mother for me?
Mommy is not in the
house. She went out in the afternoon, she has not been back since.
One of you should go get me something to eat while I go freshen up.
Daddy, what make you think there's something to eat here?
There's nothing.
We're just discussing what to eat for supper because the fridge is empty.
Yeah. Well, if you want, we can give you McDonald's. You can buy McDonald's for you.
Wow, this. Who is that? It's open!
Hello, children.
Hi, Alfred.
Oh,
Hey, bro.
welcome, bro.
Oh, boy.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. I know you're coming back so soon.
You're right on time to distract me from this case. Can you believe I came from a work trip only to come home, my wife isn't home, there's no food, the fridge is empty, and these useless children don't know how to cook.
Bro, why don't we call them useless? I mean, that's a bit harsh.
What else can I call them? Look at them. Two are between the ages of 24 and 22, one just turned 18, and they don't know how to cook. They have to be told what to do. No proactiveness. It's useless, man. Really? When we are age, we used to do things more than this. We used to clean and cook. What is this? It's not a life though. Their mom has pampered them so much.
Really, you guys don't know how to cook?
Well, I can make eggs and pancakes.
I can definitely make a bowl of cereal.
You see?
Oh, well, wait. Oh my goodness, that's not cooking. Well, anyways, Uncle, I could cook rice.
Well, we'll work on that so that your parents will just be super proud of you. I mean, you guys are still young, so you have a long way to go, so we can just learn it together.
You see what I have to deal with? After all the long hours of work and the money I waste on these people that I call my children, you see what I have to work with? Anyway, I'm gonna order food. What do you want to eat though?
No, I mean, you can order for your children, your wife. I actually came to leave those tickets. I have church. Looking to leave for your wife.
Look, they are not going to any church thing. We are tired of this church thing, bro. If God was really alive and he was working, why would he have allowed my child to have died? Please take your cards and get out of my house, bro.
I mean, bro, like, I'm sorry that I'm bringing back the past and all, right? But then, just God loves us all. Like, just know that and just reconsider.
I'll order for myself. I'll see you later.
Right.
You know the door. You can go.
All right, bye, kids.
Bye, Uncle.
Wow. Who knew this will be Mr. Jacob's reaction to being invited to a church concert? Clearly, there are lots of old wounds that need healing and restoration. Let's return next time to see how the story unfolds. Psalm 127 verse 1. Except the Lord builds the house, they labor in vain that build it. Except the Lord keeps the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. Thank you for watching Faith Live Drama. Catch you on the next episode.